Ever feel like your motivation is stuck in neutral? Let's shift gears with one powerful principle that could change everything. In Teresa Amabile and Stephen Kramer's phenomenal book, The Progress Principle, they state, of all the things that can boost emotions, motivation, and perceptions during a workday, the single most important is in making progress in meaningful work. Let's repeat those final 5 words. Making progress in meaningful work. Making progress is what can set us back on that virtuous upward cycle we all desire to ride. But it must be progress in work we've determined to be meaningful to us. So in the same way that I have my SAT students determine and write out their big picture goal and scale it back to their weekly goals, which they can track on a daily basis, we all can first determine our own meaningful goal, break it down, and make incremental daily progress. For me, I notice the days I struggle the most mentally are when I'm either unclear on what to focus on, or I think I need to complete an entire project in one sitting, which can be intimidating to the point of not wanting to even get started. But when I start my day with a 90-minute deep work time block and make incremental progress on the project that is meaningful to me, I feel proud of myself and I can feel the power of momentum building. Mathematician Norbert Wiener called this a positive feedback loop, or cumulative causation. As Amabile says, to harness this powerful force, you must ensure that consistent forward movement in meaningful work is a regular occurrence. Phil Stutz, the author of one of my favorite books, The Tools, and the focus of the Netflix documentary Stutz, has a 3-word phrase that can sum up the essence of his work: relentless forward motion. When we approach life with this commitment to keep moving forward, even if at times it's in the form of a crawl, and we maintain our bring it on mindset to all of life's challenges, a deep sense of purpose, pride, and contentment are inevitable byproducts. Here's to our relentless forward motion and commitment to making progress in pursuit of meaningful goals. And remember, you got this.